Window.
Yes, yes. Ganito yung tinatawag nating single detached bungalow. So, walang firewall. Ang ibig sabihin nun, yung extra lot mo, front, left, right, back. Ayun siya. Ma'am, ano nga yung minimum lot, ma'am, ng detached natin?
150 and up.
150 square meter minimum. Meron tayong 200 square meter din na detached. Or ano yung pinakamalaki?
Currently, ma'am, 189.
189 square meter detached lot yung pinakamalaki natin ngayon currently. Tas 150 yung pinaka smallest or minimum pag detached. Ang ganda. My gosh, kung ito yung klase ng bahay na hanap mo, tapos gusto mo dito sa may subdivision. Ito kasi ang style nito, old subdivision. This is Plaridel Heights subdivision located in Plaridel, Bulacan. You are one tumbling away. Meaning to say, 8 minutes drive to North Luzon Expressway Santa Rita exit. Highly accessible to Quezon City and Metro Manila kasi napakalapit mo sa NLEX. Ganun po siya kaganda in terms of location. Pero ito ay para lamang sa gusto ng tahimik na lugar at nature dahil po gubat dito. Yes, ha? Ayan o, literal o. Mountain tuloy. Forestry, gubat. Ganda. Ang ganda. Hindi lang natin mapasok ngayon itong isang to. Ikutin ko lang mula harap. So, ito siya. Ganito yung kanyang exterior and actual turnover. Yan o. Smart and modern. Smart home na to. Ay, ang ganda ho. Yung gilid. Oh my gosh, may lanay ka. Guys, this is it. Retirement home. Backyard. Ang laki ng lot area mo. Complete finish ang turnover. Modern. NLEX na po yan. Kaya na sinasabi ko, gubat. Yes. Kung gusto mong tumira sa kalagitnaan ng gubat, ito na yon. Yan. Magubat po dito ha. So ito po ang tinatawag nating single detached house and lot 5R Prime Properties, our developer. We only have siguro 5 lucky home buyer lang ma-accommodate ko kasi po limited slots lang po ito. Hindi ito yung katulad ng mga ibang project ko na hundreds yung inventory or 50s ha. 5 people lang, 5 lucky home buyer lang po. Paunahan po, kontakin nyo na po kaagad ako, flashing on my on the screen yung aking contact number. Bawal na bawal dito mag-walk-in. We are very strict here, yung guard. So, at least 1 to 2 days before yung pag-schedule sa akin. Ang ganda. A glimpse of the inside. Yan. Lagay ko na rin sa screen yung kanyang details ng floor tsaka lot area ha. Tripping yan, no? Concrete na rin to sa turnover. Guys, sobrang ganda po talaga dito sa Plaridel Heights subdivision for our single detached bungalow. Very rare po sa area ng Bulacan yung ganito na ang lalaki ng lot area, ang ganda ng bahay. Single detached bungalow sa old subdivision style na magubat. Forestry talaga, tahimik. So, mag-house tour tayo. Come with me. Again, this is Nicole. And if you're still not yet subscribed, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ayan. Single detached bungalow. Let's do a house tour. Concrete na yung garahe mo. Ang ganda. Complete finish turnover. You're gonna have a smart lock over here. Modern po siya. 60 by 60 yung tiles. Painted na. Sobrang ganda na. May lightings na. Kompleto na. Uy, full of natural lights. Napakadaming malalaking windows. Lanay. And look at your kitchen. L-shape. And your backyard, your service area, your dining area. Very elegant yung design. May ilaw na rin siya sa labas. Concrete na yung part na to. Ang laki. So, dito po, kung gusto ng tahimik, yes, magubat po talaga dito. This is forestry. Okay? Forestry po siya. Manage your expectations. Ang laki, oh. Bedroom 1. Ready for second floor na rin to, di ba, ma'am? Ready for second floor. Ang ganda ng ating toilet and shower. Toilet and shower number 1. Floor to ceiling yung tiles. Posy at magaganda yung ating toilet fixtures. Hindi ka mapapahiya. Sobrang ganda. Your master's bedroom na full of natural lights. Ang lalaki ng windows, lighting, and look at this window. Ayan. This is your master's bedroom. Wala ka na makikitang ganito, guys. Ganda.
Mas gusto mo dito kaysa dun sa isa kanina?
Look at that. Don't miss the last 5 slots I have for this very rare single detached bungalow. Contact me as soon as possible. Viber, WhatsApp, iMessage. Kontakin nyo na ako, guys. Just mention Plaridel Heights. Alam ko na yan 1 to 2 days before mag-tripping na tayo. Kung VC ka, pwede dito ang OFW. Kaya pwede ang online reservation. Papipiliin lang po kita sa mapa. Kahit anong part dito ng mapa, I tell you, maganda ang pwesto. Sobrang ganda ng pwesto. Kaya guys, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope to see you all soon. Again, like and subscribe and grab the last 5 slots I have for this special single detached bungalow. Shout out, ma'am. Oh. Sabi mo sa kanila mag-subscribe naman sila.
Like and subscribe.
Wow, panoorin mo ito pag in-upload ko, ha?